Hello and welcome to my channel, and I am Pranav Vinay Kumar. I'm a child who learns coding from my teacher in the computer. Because you think this coronavirus is so bad, children could not learn and everything is getting affected. But now White Hat Junior is a coding expert who teaches in a computer. And now I am putting YouTube videos from White Hat Junior. And now, if you register White Hat Junior, you would get offers and everything now. Now let's go into the video. Don't forget to touch the bell button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, first is what is coding? Is a simple program that what everybody do in your daily day life. Now, the first thing is what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to code. It's like now our topic is Pranav and this is our bird name and my name is Pranav. So I click and save my name. Whatever your name, you can click it. And the first thing you need to do is, can you see a small title, be aware of 20 and be aware of the pi and star. And when you want you to play the game, you need to click just run and the game will be playing. And when you want to stop the game, you just click reset. And the second thing, you click the witch and the bird, and the space and the background is space. Repeat forever. The witch would repeat this forever because we cannot control the witch, and we should control the bird. And you need to be aware of the pie and the star. If you touch the pie and the star, you would lose points. If you touch the other things that comes, you could win the game. And if if you want if you think that if you click this, take background 100 times and keep it, you can just click this, give Control C and give Control V, you get another. And when you don't want an appropriate thing, you can just delete it. It's very simple. And now can we play our game and let's see who wins. Please send your phone number. I would send you this game. I will teach you like how it is. First, I would show you the game. I'm using my arrow keys. Could you see I'm using my arrow keys? So you should play like that. And now, when you want to share it to anybody, you just click share here and you just copy this link and then give Control V and Control C and Control V. Take it to your friend's WhatsApp and send it. Thank you and please like, subscribe and please share it. Thank you.